In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert charts in Microsoft Word. So assuming I want to insert my chart here, all I need is to come to insert over here and I can see chart at the top here. Okay, so we can just click and you have different types of chart. For example, you have this is column chart, this is line chart, pie chart, bar chart, and so on. XY scattered maps and so on. Surface. But then for this, let's say we are going with column chart and we can select from the available ones. Whichever one you hover over, you'll be able to see the preview down here. Okay, assuming this is what you want and click on OK on this. This is going to insert a default chart that you can customize from this. Okay, so this is the customization box. This is where you can extend this and then you can be able to add in the data. So for example, you can temper with the category and make it um, English, for example, and then you can come over here, you can put mathematics, and then you can come here and say physics, and then you can come here and say biology. So you can see in each case, as you're updating, it is equally updating in here. You can change the values, the series type, you can change everything. And once you click out, you now have your graph and you notice the chart design comes up, which means you can play around with the different charts. You can customize and have it in different forms. Whichever one you want, you can have it. You can change the theme of the coloration. These are color palettes that you can vary accordingly. As you hover over, you'll be able to see the graph changes. You can add different kind of elements to your graph, the axis and so on. You can see axis titles and so on. You can play around with all of these and you can always click to select a given data that you want to add depending on where you have it. Okay, this is linked to Microsoft Excel. If you found this helpful, please leave a like. Now, as you click on the chart, you'll be able to have these options as well. You can add all of these. You can select, check, and add, and uncheck to remove any section. You can have this formatting, the different chart style. You can also add from here directly if you're interested. And then you have these chart filters that you can always click to add the filters if you're interested in adding any of the filters here. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.